Of all the components that make up a point source house, rainwater harvesting seems to get the most attention, not just locally but nationally. You see, a lot of people view this as some kind of new green movement, rainwater harvesting. The truth is that it's used throughout the world, and its origin can be traced back to the Old Testament of the Bible. People ask, what happens if it doesn't rain? The truth is down here in Texas, we've just been through the drought of record, which dates back over 150 years. Not one of our homes even got below 50% storage capacity of our cisterns. So we know that a properly designed, professionally installed rainwater harvesting system will give us all the water that we need. So let's go ahead and let me walk you through how this system works. Now what happens here is we catch all the water from the roof. The water is then transferred through the gutters and then headed out to our cistern. But before we allow it to go into the cistern, it has to go through the first flush, whereby we take the first 100 gallons of water and basically discharge that water. We've been able to clean the leaves, clean off any kind of material that might have been in the roof. Now inside the tank we have two sets of filters before the water ever touches the main body of the cistern. This is all done by gravity. The water flows back to the house through a 50 micron filter, a 5 micron charcoal filter, and an ultraviolet light. The ultraviolet light displaces any and all bacteria. From the ultraviolet light, the water then goes into the house, giving our owners superior water, soft water. Now that we've captured this water, our concern turns to efficiency. With efficiency comes where are we using the majority of our water? Not just inside, but outside. 65 to 70% of all water used throughout the United States, especially in the South and Southwest, is directed to landscaping. Now, with that water, we're concerned with how it's being used. Well, we're transitioning now throughout the South to drought-tolerant, drought-resistant plants. One of the most efficient ways to water our native plants is through drip irrigation, where the water goes directly to the root ball. Now our focus turns to inside water efficiency, where we're using dual flush toilets, low flow shower heads, low flow faucets, all WaterSense products. We're also using Energy Star dishwashers and washing machines to reduce the water inside. Our average customer uses 35 to 50 gallons of water a day, half of what the national average is. Water efficiency is a real key when it comes to running a fully sustainable home.